Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the deployment name in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. So what is a deployment name? So in software development lifecycle, you have many phases like development, testing, and production, like that, right? So those in those phases, developers will be using many environments like development, staging, and production. So those types of environment you can set by using this set deployment command. So in terminal, login as a root user. Okay, this is the command used to set the deployment name. So host name ctl space set deployment. So I am giving this as development box. You can see that deployment is displayed as a development. So this is a development box. Okay, so like that you can classify many machines like this, whether it is a development box or a staging or a production. Okay, now I am clearing or removing the deployment name. You can see that deployment name is got vanished. So empty quotes will delete the or reset the deployment name. Okay, so once again I am putting back the deployment name. Okay, after putting the deployment name, you can see that it's set to staging environment. So this box is a staging environment located at Trichinopoli. So now it's nice to see, right? Okay.